Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start the Module 3 step-by-step, reusing a presentation and adding media and animation. So before you get started, you should have already downloaded the Module 3 PowerPoint data files that was instructed in the previous video. So in your R2D2 right now, I know this is a little different than yours because I'm at my home computer, but let's just assume this is your R2D2 like 4J.2G or something like that. You should have a folder that says Module 3 PowerPoint data files, so when you click on it, it should have all of the files you're going to be using in the Module 3 step-by-step, as well as the Module 3 projects that you'll use the next day. So this module, you're going to be learning how to color a photo, adding an artistic effect to a photo, aligning paragraph text, changing views, grouping, changing the color of and regrouping an illustration, copying a slide element from one slide to another, inserting and editing a video clip, inserting an audio clip, control audio and video clips, insert entrance, emphasis, and exit effects, control animation and timing, change theme colors, changing a theme and variant on one slide. So at times you're going to need to revise a PowerPoint presentation. So this tutorial you're going to actually be reusing presentations. Changes may include inserting and updating or inserting and adding effects to photos or altering the colors of photos or basically just editing media. So in this presentation, okay, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to open up the data files, and we're going to open up the spokes data file. So we'll double click on it, and PowerPoint's going to open. So this is the file we're going to be using. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Save As, and you are going to browse, and you're going to go into your R2D2. Okay, make sure you save this file outside of this folder. So don't save it in the same folder as that. That's your data files. You don't want to screw those up. You want to make sure you save all your files outside of this folder. Okay, so we will go ahead and change the file name as Spokes Bike Club. So we're saving to our R2D2. Now what we're going to do is we are going to, with slide 1 being displayed, we're going to click Insert on the ribbon. Remember, this is the ribbon. And we are going to find the pictures. Okay, now we're going to go into our data files. And we're going to click on Hidden Bike. So this is the file that they want us to use. Now we're going to drag the sizing handles to resize the photo so that it covers the entire slide. Or we can go ahead and just give it its dimensions. So it's going to be 7.5 by 13.33. So we went ahead and did that. So it's covering the entire slide. We're going to have to move it to where it does that. There we go. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to adjust photo colors. So the color of photo, we're basically going to be studying the tone of riding an open road and enjoying the freedom that biking brings. An effect adds variety to the presentation and helps enhance ordinary photos. So with slide 1 displaying, and this video or this photo was selected, we're going to click the color button to display the color gallery. So this is in the Picture Tools Format tab, Adjust Group, and we're going to find the color gallery. Now we can edit this photo and edit the color. So we're going to point to saturation. So it's the last thumbnail in the saturation row. We're going to do saturation 400%. Okay, so now we are going to add an artistic effect to a photo. So artists use a variety of techniques to create effects in their paintings. They can vary the amount of paint on their brushstroke, use fine bristles to add the details, mix colors to increase or decrease intensity, or smooth their paints together to blend the colors. So we're going to display slide 3 here, and we've got a photo here of a person's foot on the pedals of a bike. We're going to select this photo here, and we're going to click on the Artistic Effects button, and this is in the Adjust group in the Picture Tools Format tab. Now we can add different artistic effects, so we can kind of hover over and see what the artistic effects are. This might be a little slow because of how big the image is. You kind of see some really cool ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to point to cement. So it's the first thumbnail in the 4th row. Is it this one? Yep. So we're going to click on it. And like I said, that might take a little bit. And there we go. So it looks like it's been impressed on cement in the background. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so we've applied that artistic effect onto that photo. So that is how to insert a photo, how to change the color, as well as add some artistic effects.